Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to view your Trello activities. So let me go ahead and open up one of my recent boards here, and as you can see here I'm in Trello. Now in order to view your activity, or let's say your account activity, you want to click your profile on the upper right hand side, and then you want to go to activity. You can either check your profile and visibility. If you click in that as well, you'll be able to view your activities right from here. Or if you just simply click an activity, it will take you to the same place, but will select the activity, let's say tab. And here you can see all your account or your profile activity. Let's put it like that. So as you can see here, I created my ideas here 37 minutes ago, and it shows you all the different things that I've done. So this is how you can actually view your Trello profile activity or your Trello activity. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.